Mr. John was a very happy person when he opened his laundry business. But after some times he is not happy anymore because he failed to manage the workload in his shop. Don't worry, Mr. John. Code Vision IT Solutions comes here to get rid of all your problems that comes on the way of your business. With the help of Laundry ERP system. Some key features of Laundry ERP system. In process ready delivered list. Service management. Tag print option. Customer management. Interactive dashboard. Service variant option. Expense management. Inventory management. Discount and promotion management. User management. Purchase management. Financial management. And many other exciting features. Some screenshot of our software. Dashboard. In process order list. Point of sale. Sales report. Secure, professional, and customized. Don't think too much, and let's join Code Vision IT Solutions to grow your laundry business to sky high. Reach us at Code Vision IT Solutions. Our address is flat number 35, building number 185, road number 10, block number 704, Salmabad, Kingdom of Bahrain. Our contact number is 973-172-12865, 973-3344-1668. Our email address info@codevisionbh.com. Find us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube with Code Vision BH name.